gentlemen, thank you for coming to my show.
Clap, everyone clap. Yay! What kind of show is it?
Mine isn't working, so I hope yours does.
What kind of show is
Mom,
it? It should work.
give it to her.
Okay, Grandma, you do it. Okay.
Oh God.
Let me
Okay,
open it
going.
up.
It's working.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to my show.
Yay! Okay.
What are you gonna do, Maga Lucia?
This is my last trick.
Your last trick? What are you going to do? Are you going to
disappear anything?
Are you going to make something disappear?
Isn't there a first trick?
What's your first trick? Yeah, the house.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to my show.
Yay!
You got to make something disappear.
You're gonna make something disappear. You're gonna make something appear like a house?
Ladies and gentlemen,